Hey everyone, welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to delete your Twitter account permanently. For this, I am going to use a Twitter app. You can also do the same. So tap on Twitter app, make sure to get logged in just like me. Now tap on this profile icon on the top left corner, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support option. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy option. Tap on Your Account option on the top. So here, you can see an option of Deactivate Account. Tap on it. On the bottom, you can see an option of Deactivate. Tap on it. So before sending a confirmation for deactivation, we need to confirm our password. So tap on Password and enter your password. So when you're done keeping your password, tap on Deactivate option on the bottom right corner. So you can see that. Tap on Yes, Deactivate. So your account is deactivated. Tap on Got it. And if you are not going to log in within 30 days, your account is going to be deleted permanently. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I am going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.